Hey everyone, today we're taking a look at a 1-bedroom, 1-bath manufactured home at lot K-10 in Carteret Mobile Park. Carteret Mobile Park is a land lease community based in Carteret, New Jersey. So this is a brand new house. Take a look on the outside first. You can see those 2 custom made steps at the front. Got outside water and electric for this house. See that red faucet right there. Got this nice little stone area out in front, so you don't have to care about a lawn. Just having to weed that is all you'd need to do. Here are your 2 outlets for outside. I believe there are 2 in both of those, so you've got 4. Now let's take a look inside. Here is your kitchen, and this is your living room right here. So you've got these 2 great, huge windows at the front. Brings a ton of light into the house, and you can see the whole neighborhood from here. Those are thermal pane windows as well, meaning they trap a lot of cool air in during the summer months and heat in during the winter. You've got vinyl flooring throughout this house. Here is a cable jack if you wanted to set up a TV. It's very easy. This is the thermostat here. This house has central air conditioning. Taking a look at the kitchen, we have Whirlpool appliances. They're all stainless steel and have a warranty through the manufacturer. Here is your refrigerator. You've got the freezer on top with an ice maker in there, and the refrigerator on the bottom. You've got this really, really nice window right here, so if you're doing dishes, you can look straight outside. This sink comes with these 3 things, so you've got a drying rack right there, another one that's a little bit deeper, and it comes with a cutting board that fits right in there. I'd also like to point out the subway tile backsplash that runs the length of the kitchen. You have adjustable cabinets in each of the cabinets. And you just lift that up really easily, and then you can put it at a different height. Got cabinet space below. And in the corner here, you have an extra large cabinet. I'd also like to point out the slow closing mechanism on the cabinet doors. So if you close it really hard, it won't make a slam. It'll just gently close. This is your microwave, which is right above the 4-burner stove, which has an oven combination. Here's your oven. Got 2 racks right in there. And beneath as well, you have a heating tray. Lastly, in the kitchen, I'd like to point out you've got these 3 super deep cabinets as well. And again, a slow closing mechanism on all cabinet doors. This house also has premium 2-inch blinds. Behind this door right here is your furnace. This is responsible for the central air conditioning and forced hot air. Behind me here is your second door. One more thing I'd like to mention about the furnace is right above here, you can change the filter super easily. So some other furnaces are a little bit more intricate to do that. That one, you just lower that, pull out one, and put in a new. This is your bathroom here. We've got the premium black hardware in this house. So you've got these black shower doors. This is one-piece fiberglass, and you've got 2 seats in there. Got a medicine cabinet here. There is your toilet and your sink. Above the mirror here, you also have an overhead light. Right here is where you could put your stackable washer and dryer. And this is the bedroom. So I'll stand in the corner here so you can get a sense of depth of the room. This is your closet right here. It runs the whole length of the wall. You've got a wire rack pre-installed. And these 2 screen doors are replaceable for the glass storm doors if you wanted that instead. That is your data plate, which has all the information about the home. And this is your whole house shutoff valve. I'd also like to note that there is a cable jack in this room as well. So if you wanted a TV in here as well, you could do that. Behind this door is your water heater. It is a 40-gallon tank. And behind the door here is your electrical panel. Now this is just like a regular house. It is 100 amps and everything's labeled in there for you. Now if you're interested about this house or any of the other houses that we have to offer, please go to www.myhomeincarteret.com. There you can fill out the pre-qualifying questions to get you started on the path to owning your dream home. Thank you.
This house was built by Dolan Homes. Dolan Homes has been building homes in New Jersey in our 3 communities since 1954. These are Robert Dolan here is the managing partner, and you also have Xander Dolan and Patrick and myself. It's a small family business. We build manufactured homes in our 3 mobile home communities. So it's Carteret Mobile Park, Edison Mobile Estates, and Harbor Crossings. We have a fabulous crew. They've been with us a very long time, and they put these houses together very quickly. Conception and Raul are the main crew. Here's Conception, here's Raul. We're 4 generations. The first generation has now passed, and then Robert and myself are the 2nd generation, and then our nephew and our son are the 3rd generation, and then our grandson and grandnephew are our 4th generation. We have lots of advantages to owning your own house in Carteret, New Jersey. Carteret Mobile Park is located right near the turnpike, and on the other side is Route 9 and Route 1. We're very conveniently located. You could be in Manhattan in 25 minutes. You could take the train into from Rahway into New York City. We're a land lease community, so we provide that in emails when people contact us and answer our pre-qualifying questions. So this is our address, 1501 Roosevelt Avenue, Carteret, New Jersey, and this is our the original farmhouse in the front of the old farm, which was converted into a mobile home park. Our entrance is on Blair Road. We see everyone by appointment only. So once you make an appointment, you'll follow the signs to reach the office. You come in on this side street. This is our maintenance building, not our office. And I have signs on it to let people know. And there's little banners on the light poles to tell people how to get to the office. There's plenty of signs to show the way. This is the back part of the maintenance building, and I have a little sign there that shows that this is not the office, this is the maintenance building. So we have beautiful homes. Here's a whole series of them. It's very quiet. It's very safe. We're very proud of the beautiful homes that we build. Here's a gorgeous house, just a 1-bedroom. Here's another house. I believe that's also 1 bedroom. This one's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. This is a beautiful flowers in some of the tenants' homes. It just looks so pretty. Everyone takes care of their places, and it's just a delight to be here, and all the residents love it. We're really honored to be a part of making the American dream of home ownership a possibility. This was a beautiful story where this gentleman bought this house and found the American flag in the shed, and it was a very moving moment for all of us because he had just migrated from Cuba. So we get a lot of immigrants coming to us as their first home ownership, and it's such a pleasure to help them. Or downsizing or upsizing. We have all sorts of people in our community. So come join us, myhomeincarteret.com.